The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 386. Effective until 9 o'clock p.m. This watch includes the following county: Waldo, Maine. Remember, the National Weather Service in Caribou, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Penobscot County and east central Maine. This includes the city of Millinocket, east central Piscataquis County and north central Maine. This includes the city of Mount Katahdin until 5:30 p.m. at 4:27 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 25 miles west of Millinocket, or 19 miles northwest of Brownville Junction, and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Medway and East Millinocket.